wheel. Disc. Very nice. Hope wheel rim. Oh yes. Hope Fortus 30. Very nice. Perfect downhill wheel rim. Yes. Followed by the Maxxis R-Sky.
Oh yeah. Ooh, eh?
Rear wheel. Hope Fortus 30. And I'm pretty sure they should have a Hope Pro 5 hubs. Smooth as silk, silk as smooth.
Ooh.
Oh, box of goodies.
Ooh.
We have Hayes brakes.
Oh. Hayes.
Dominion A4.
Ooh.
Get them out of the box in a minute.
Oh yeah.
This is a handlebar. Takes some getting into.
It does.
Oh. A knife probably would have been easier, but the excitement is kicking in.
Yeah.
Oh, title grips, lock on, title bars. Look at that.
Carbon fibre.
Not carbon fibre.
Not carbon fibre.
Carbon alloy.
Carbon alloy. Carbonara.
Very nice.
Do wheelie. Wow.
Yeah, I like them. Jim, put the light on.
Ah, flipping heck.
Let's go plug her in. I'll go steal me car machine plug.
Just doing some advertising.
Voila. Got in here. Jack. That's my name. JL Morris ATVs. Look me up. Now. Oh. What's behind the wrapping? Let's take a look. In a minute.
We will get a knife.
Now, if you're not excited, then you should be. Let's find a knife. I found a knife. Monster. Most essential tool for building any bike.
Hide your wife, he's got a knife.
Delicious. Right. Woo!
Safety first, kids.
Very careful. Slice through the wrapping without slicing into the bicycle.
Yeah.
First rule of slicing into anything. Don't slice the bicycle.
Yeah.
Watch out for cables and mysterious theories about Adam Riley. Right. We all know he loves it.
Yeah.
Right up. That was beautiful.
Thank you, I thought I'd add some sensual nature to it.
Oh, Kashima.
Ooh.
Kashima Lima Ding Dong. we shall leave these wrapped up until the time comes to mount them to the handlebars, and then we shall mount them to the bicycle. Then we shall adjust them. So these are the new Fox 40 downhill forks with a total of 20mm travel. Absolutely splendid. And in 1 second, this bike will be completely unwrapped. Pause the gym. Oh. Beautiful. What are the chances?
I just don't know.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Do you reckon we'll just sliver it through there? Don't want to scratch it though, do we? Oh wait, we're going to have to take it off because we've got the grips on. Right. Oh, 6 Nm torque. We'll do it to 7 because we know what's what.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Unwrap this little mount.
Don't want it slipping, see?
And we're going in dry. Oh yeah. Oh, this masking tape on everything. Oh, that's loose. Right.
Would you call it loose as a goose?
I would call it loose as falling off. I think we want them bang on there.
Would you like me to hold them in place?
I think that'll be absolutely spot on. Ooh.
Jim, your bike stands come. Came up on the top.
Okay.
Your ear.
Oh, just what I was looking for. Thanks, Jim.
Look at that.
Hayes Dominion. What any spectacular rider would like.
Say it again, Jim.
Oh,
There you go.
oh yeah. Look at that for sneak. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Here. Shall we get the back wheel in?
Yeah.
Slow down, Tiger. On the threads. Gates carbon drive.
Not going anywhere.
Do you like that?
I do.
I'll tell you a trick.
Alright, Jim, alright, you get this trick on the go.
Let's get this trick on the go, guys and girls. You use this.
Yeah.
Put it through here.
Yeah.
This is a trick I've come up with over many years of working on these bikes. You pull pull this over like so. Slide that through. Out it comes. That is the nifty trick on fitting your tensioner band. And now, no jumping.
Wow.
Smooth as silk. So, rear end of the bike built, front end of the bike not built. We also need to check the shock spring is the compatible spring for the rider's weight, which we need to look at. But I'm going to have a sit on it, test the sag.
He is the sag tester.
Well, I am the same weight as the rider having this bike, so it's only fair that I go and race this bike first.
Yeah. Don't be shocked, it's just a pump.
Oh yeah.
Good action, Matt. You've done that before, Jim.
You sure are. Look at this travel. That's making her excited.
The travel's travelling. Oh, we get in there, sausage.
There we go. Perfect. Pause it for a bit, Jim. We're going to have to pump this tyre up. Oh, like a glove. Like a glove.
Like a glove.
Right, I reckon she's probably had enough charge for now. Put me Allen key. 3 Newton meters. That's not a lot of torque.
That is not a lot.
But we'll work with it.